आपके मीडियम से बेस्ट विशेस ट्रैफिक पुलिस की सब गोवा रेजिडेंट्स के लिए, टूरिस्ट के लिए ऑफ मेरी क्रिसमस एंड वेरी वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। और बेसिक रीज़न फॉर कॉलिंग दिस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस इज़ टू update the citizens, tourists about the kind of arrangements which have been made from traffic point of view. So I would first start by telling you about the diversions which have been made. Most of these diversions relate to the area of Kalangut and Anjuna, because as you know that area witnesses heavy footfall and vehicular movement. Vehicles which are proceeding from Porvorim towards Kalangut, they will be diverted near St. Alex Church, and they will be diverted towards St. Anthony Chapel. From there they will go to Baga Circle. The road from Baga Circle towards Baga Beach will be one way, and no vehicle will be allowed from Baga Beach side towards Kalangut. Okay. All vehicles proceeding from Baga will exit from Government Primary School Junction or from New Baga Bridge towards Arpora for their onward journey. No vehicle will be allowed to proceed from Agarwada Junction towards Government Primary School Junction. There will be vehicular restriction also from Our Lady of Piety Chapel towards Prabhuwada Junction. And vehicles, the road from St. Anthony Chapel towards Mira Hotel up to Baga Circle will be made one way. I will give you a printout of these diversions. The road from Jack Sequeira Junction towards St. Alex Church via Post Office will be one way. Only outgoing traffic from Kalangut will be permitted. The road from Neelam Gits Resort will be one way, that is only outgoing traffic from Kalangut will be permitted. Tito's Lane to Snow Park will be one way. All these traffic diversions have been made keeping in mind previous year's experience and also the expected vehicular traffic, so that minimum inconvenience can be caused to tourists and residents who are visiting these beaches. We have identified around 17 parking locations so that minimum inconvenience is caused to people who are taking their vehicles. Of these, the 3 big parking lots wherein cars can be parked are the Bodke Ward parking lot in Kalangut, and there are 2 Goa tourism parkings, one in Baga and one in कैंडलिंग। इसके अलावा 14 और पार्किंग लॉट्स हैं जिसके डिटेल्स आपके साथ हम अभी शेयर कर लेंगे। टोटल जो हमारा स्टाफ डिप्लॉय हुआ है इस अरेंजमेंट के अंदर, करीब 800 लोग ट्रैफिक पुलिस के पूरे गोवा के अंदर डिप्लॉय किए जाएंगे। हमारे जो तमाम PIs हैं, DYSPs हैं, वो फील्ड में ही रहेंगे और सीनियर ऑफिसर्स भी फील्ड में ही रहेंगे। एंड टाइम टू टाइम ब्रीफिंग्स दी जाएंगी ताकि जिस जगह पे ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक एक्सपेक्टेड है उस जगह पे हम एडिशनल अगर स्टाफ भेजना हो तो उसका भी हमने बंदोबस्त करके रखा है। ख़ास फोकस किया जा रहा है पोरवरिम पे ओ कोकेरो जंक्शन पे, कि वहाँ पे प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा है कि वहाँ पे थोड़ा ट्रैफिक जैम्स रहते हैं, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी रोड्स वहाँ आके मर्ज होती हैं और रोड की चौड़ाई भी थोड़ी कम है। तो हमारी ये कोशिश रहेगी कि इस बार हम वहाँ पे कुछ सुधार ज़रूर लेके आएँ। इसके अलावा अभी से पिछले 1 हफ्ते से हमारी कॉन्टीन्यूअस ड्राइव्स चल रही हैं जो 1 जनवरी तक चलेंगी। इस ड्राइव्स के अंदर हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जो भी ट्रैफिक वायलेशंस हो रहे हैं उसके ऊपर एक तरीके से रुकावट आए, मिनिमाइज़ किया जाए। इसमें ख़ास फोकस उन लोगों पे किया जा रहा है जो 2 व्हीलर्स को विदाउट हेलमेट पहन के चला रहे हैं या फिर जो ड्रंकन ड्राइविंग कर रहे हैं। खास निर्देश, special instructions have been issued to all the staff repeatedly that minimum inconvenience has to be caused to tourists, and in any case if the behavior of the staff has to be very professional, and keeping in mind that everyone has come to Goa to enjoy their New Year. So our endeavor is also that everyone should enjoy, but by being safe. इसके अलावा एक हमने ड्राइव पहले भी जो रेंट कार रेंट बाइक की परमिट कंडीशंस को वायलेट कर रहे हैं, उस पर भी हमारी ड्राइव कॉन्टीन्यूसली चल रही है और उस पर भी एक्शन हम रेगुलरली ले रहे हैं. वो एक्शन भी कंटिन्यू रखा जाएगा आगे के कुछ दिन. कल क्योंकि टुमारो दे विल बी मास, therefore the traffic arrangements will kick in. Already we have the traffic arrangements are in place, but the additional traffic arrangements will kick in from tomorrow evening, keeping in view that there is likely to be increased vehicular movement and increased pedestrian movement around churches. तो उसका भी हमने इंतज़ाम रखा है कि जितना कम से कम ट्रैफिक जैम्स लगे उस पर हम खास ध्यान रख रहे हैं. So this is broadly what I had to brief. If you have any questions, you can come and ask.
Sir, you spoke about only 31st, no?
One more. Can I just?
This is for 31st in Kalangote area.
Sorry.
31st.
No, the deployment is a continuous.
No, one way. This is.
Yes, this is basically for New Year's.
31st night.
Yes, 31st night.
The action against without helmet, the drunken driving. Can you use some figures supporting that?
We are conducting daily drives. The exact figures I will be able to share with
It's
you.
been normal 20 today or 51 again.
Yes, that is happening. For example, yesterday night also a special drive. During the special drive, around 18 cases of drunken driving were reported, and during the whole day there were around 26 cases, and these drives are continuing.
26 cases of drunken driving in a day.
Yesterday it was, yes.
Any special traffic arrangement in Anjuna Bagator area due to
For EDM festival.
For sunburn, yes.
Yeah.
For sunburn also we have made special arrangements, and they will be communicated to you by 26th, a couple of days prior to the beginning of the festival. और उसके भी हमने we are in constant touch with the sunburn organizers, and we've also taking their help in terms of volunteers और कहाँ कहाँ पे ट्रैफिक के साइनेजेस लगने हैं और पार्किंग लॉट्स आइडेंटिफाई करवाने में हम उनके साथ कॉन्टीन्यूस कम्युनिकेशन में हैं, ताकि जितना भी लोगों को कम दे शुड हैव मिनिमम इनकन्वीनियंस, वी आर ट्राइंग टू अचीव दैट.
You all have deployed 800 police personnel
That is throughout the state.
during this New Year time. So regular days, how many police personnel are there on the road for traffic management?
So on an average day we have upwards of 500 traffic personnel
on
who are on a regular basis, and the increase is we will be increasing it to 800, and we have asked for additional staff also.
सर बहुत सारी जगह पर कैमरे जो है
जी
वो बंद रहते हैं
जी. कैमरा मतलब किस तरीके के कैमरा?
जो मेन CCTV जो है वो
जी. जब भी हमें ऐसी सूचना मिलती है कि कोई कैमरा नहीं चल रहा है, वी राइट टू द एजेंसी विच हैज़ इंस्टॉल्ड द कैमरा और टू whom the government has given the responsibility of maintaining them. So they usually act on our correspondences, and so the traffic department keeps on sending these communications to the concerned agency.
Sir, one more about Panjim city is getting more congested and traffic jam due to that smart city work.
जी.
What precaution you have taken now? Because
So,
everywhere there is traffic jam. in
Yes.
Panjim.
Well, I won't say everywhere there is traffic jam in Panjim city.
Yesterday it was full traffic.
There are certain peak timings where there is traffic congestion, but as soon as information is received or we notice during our patrolling any traffic congestion, additional staff is sent to clear the traffic. But since certain civic work is going on, and so some diversions have to be made, and we have to coordinate. We are coordinating with the civic agencies to manage it.
सर रोड सेफ्टी और एक्सीडेंट के मैंने एक प्रपोजल था कि हाईवेज पे एम्बुलेंस खड़ी की जाए।
जी, तो इसके बारे में मैं लेकिन इसमें मैं ये कहूँगा कि PWD के साथ हम लोग रेगुलर वी आर वार्तालाप कर रहे हैं, रेगुलर वी आर इंटरेक्टिंग विद PWD, and almost we are having meetings on a weekly basis with chief engineer, principal chief engineer of PWD, and where we discuss on roads which can be improved, and very soon you will see that work will begin on those stretches. Already work has begun, and जो नए हम identify कर रहे हैं वो उनको हम बताते हैं. We are coordinating to make roads safer for people.
कितने ब्लैक स्पॉट आइडेंटिफाई हो रहे हैं?
There are a lot of black spots. The exact figure I will have to look for, but black spots have been identified traffic cell wise. And PWD itself has also identified black spots on their own.
हाईवेज पे एम्बुलेंस का प्रपोजल से बहुत दिन से पेंडिंग पड़ा।
At least मेरे अभी मैं चेक करवा लूँगा if it is pending, where it is, or but I don't think it relates to Goa Traffic Police. It must be relating to some other department which I won't be able to tell. But हमारे stage पे there is something like this pending.
Sir, how many rent of private vehicles were given to the tourists? How many vehicles are snatched?
Well, I won't say the word snatched. We have impounded around 140 vehicles, 135 to 140 vehicles, and that number is coming up. And we are also focus is on also educating tourists, because we are trying to educate the tourists on that they should not be fooled into using a vehicle which is not meant to be used as a rent a bike and rent a car.
No, the problem is why the problem has arisen. You must write to government. Government has stopped the permits giving to rent a car and rent a bike. They have stopped long back. They should issue new permit, so new players will come in. So people are not getting permits, so they are giving vehicles like that. That is the main problem.
See, my mandate is to look for violations.
Yeah.
So that we are doing. And
टूरिस्ट
ऐसे तो
अनवांटेड टूरिस्ट जो अनवांटेड मिसबिहेव करते हैं, ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव के बाद जैसे डोर गाड़ी का डोर ओपन करके घूमते हैं, जैसे लाइक दैट ऐसे वायलेशन का किस
तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि हम लोग इसके अंदर डेली कोशिश करते हैं कि जब भी ऐसा केस हमें नज़र आए तो उस पर एक्शन लेते हैं और ले रहे हैं हम, लेकिन इसके अंदर एहतियात ये रखी जाती है कि हैरेसमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए किसी का। और वो इस तरीके का आपने देखा भी होगा कि जो केसेस ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग ऑफ हैरेसमेंट कम आए हैं। ये नहीं मैं कहूँगा कि बिल्कुल ही नहीं होता, लेकिन हमारा स्टाफ काफ़ी उस पर जोर दे के कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो वायलेशंस पे ज़्यादा फोकस करें।
सर, कुछ दिन पहले पंचगई रोड पे एक देखा गया था कि एक औरत ट्रैफिक पुलिस को अगेंस्ट कर रही थी रिगार्डिंग सम, और मतलब वन वे से जा रही थी। वैसे केसेस कितने आते हैं?
अब ऐसा तो कोई फिगर आई वोंट बी एबल टू शेयर, ऐसा कोई फिगर नहीं।
Misbehavior with the staff of the public.
Misbehave with the staff.
Well, if someone misbehaves with the staff, then there are provisions in law to take action, but that is taken by local police. So they are violations of IPC.